What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tools for Kurt. And today, as you can see, man, we got the vet ski right here. We are gonna be messing with the headlights today. We're gonna be putting, that strip that makes it look like it's looking at you, man, like it's mad aggressive. Whoa, hold up, guys. Sorry, I did not mean to interrupt you guys, but I just wanted to let you know that today it is April 11th. As you can see, I've been gone for a while and I got some making up to do. The car is down right now at the moment, and a lot of my Instagram users know that the car is down. So if you're watching this video, just know, don't be confused. This video is old, as I'm gonna state in the video. It's a pretty old video, but yeah, the car is down right now. Just enjoy the video and we're gonna go from there. I got a couple videos coming up, so I'm gonna try to update you guys on what's going on in my life and what's going on the vehicle as well. So I'll see you guys in a bit, or, stay tuned, like, subscribe, everything. See you guys. Type vinyl that goes on the headlights. Shout out to my boy, man, Z51 Ash on Instagram. He's the one who actually cut these for me because he has them on his car as well. Same color Vette. But yeah, we're going to be putting them on the Vette today. We're going to do a little cold start for you boys. Let me fix the tow hook real quick. We're going to be doing a cold start for you boys real quick. That is my Camaro. For those who don't know, that is the Camaro that I'm working on right there. That's my old Camaro. That's the one who made me too slow Kurt. As you can see the sticker on the side. Yes, sir. But let me give you boys a cold start real quick, man. Start the video off real nice because I got to get some gas, man. Yes, sir. So we're going to go to Sam's Club real quick and get some gas. And then we're going to come back and get it started, man. Let's do it. Wait a minute. I forgot to say Happy New Year to all y'all boys, man. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this video because I do have videos that I have to upload first before this one. Like, I have pre-recorded videos. But I can, upload them whenever. But we're going to see when I upload this video. But yeah, Happy New Year's, man. Today is the 2nd of January. So many blessings to all you boys. I hope it's a good year for all of us. And I hope many good things come from this new year. Many blessings, many everything, man. Keep God in your life. But yeah, let's go get some gas and we'll be right back. All right, boys. So as you can see, we have the color matched vinyl stickers that are gonna go on like that. But unfortunately, since it's just me recording, I gotta put them on. Then I gotta show you guys what they look like after. All right. So let me install these real quick. All right, boys. So I got one on. What do y'all think about that? Looks like an eye, man. So we got that side with it on, and then this side with it off. All right, again. On. Off. I think it looks pretty smooth. Yeah, it looks pretty smooth, bro. It looks natural. Damn. That's crazy. But yeah, man, they looking smooth. I'm going to go ahead and put this other one on, and we're going to see what it looks like all together. All right, boys. So they are on there now. For some reason, this side was a lot harder. Maybe because the cut wasn't like super clean. Maybe I'm not sure. But the top part is peeling a little bit too. Did take me a long time to actually get it to sit. Like, it was just complicated. I'm trying to put that one on. That one went on really smooth. That's how it gave me a bit of issues. But other than that, man, it looked fire, man. What y'all think about that? What y'all think? Yes, sir. I'm loving it. I love the way it looks. They look really color matched, so like you can't even tell that that's not a part of the car. I really love how the headlight is more like a eyeball now. Like, they look more meaner like that. It look good. It look good. So I'm liking it so far. I say this is a 10 out of 10, man. I love it. Minus, the part that is just coming off. But they looking good, man. They took a long time to... Damn, you see that? It's all good. We're going to find something to fix that. But they took a long time to come in the mail from my friend who sent them. I don't know why, but they look good, man. So we just gonna wait till nighttime, and then at nighttime we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the LED lights on there, like just to show you guys what they look like at nighttime, with the new sticker that we just got on the headlights, plus, the lights being on. It's gonna look fire, man. I'm gonna show you boys in a few hours because right now it's like 3 o'clock. So when the sun goes down, I got you boys. All right, let's do it. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the nighttime reaction right here. As you can see, it is nighttime. We got the vet ski right here. I asked somebody if they knew, if they seen something different about the vet. They couldn't even tell that I added this to the car because it looked like so perfectly color matched with the car. Look at that. Ooh wee. What y'all think? Looking good? Now I'm gonna give y'all boys a cinematic video real quick. What do y'all think about the vet ski, man? Y'all think it's looking good with the headlights? The new stuff that we put on the headlights or what? Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. We pulling up right here at racetrack real quick, man. And we're just gonna talk a little bit about the car, man. I just wanted to get somewhere where, you know, it wasn't wet, wasn't raining and shit. So that's what we doing, man. Look at the inside of the vet ski. What y'all think about the inside of the vet ski, man? Talk to me, talk to me. Some carbon fiber going on in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Paddle shifters. Yes, sir. Talk to me nice, man. But we're going to get out and we're going to talk a little bit more about the vet ski because it was raining right now when I was making that cinematic video. And we just going to go from there, man, all right? Boy, oh boy. I think she's looking really good, man. What y'all thinking, bro? This is a perfect view right here. What y'all see what it looks like with the new headlight stickers on top of the headlights. It looks really good. Man, I just can't get over this. Like, I love the Vet so much, bro. I got the Mero that I'm working on, but man, the Vet ski is just so trim, bro. I plan on doing a lot of stuff to the Vet ski, man. Like, we got a wide body kit coming in. We got, you know, different wheels coming in. All kind of stuff, bro. It's a little car, man, and I'm 6'3", so really to like be driving this car, bro, it's just crazy as hell, bro. I love this car, man. But yeah, man, if y'all liking this video so far, man, like, subscribe, stay tuned, all that good stuff, because we got a lot of videos coming in. Y'all know how we get down, man. The Camaro is coming together, and the Camaro should be finished, I say, by March. I want it to be painted. I want it to be new wheels, new everything. Coming soon, man, I'm telling y'all, so stay tuned for that. Man, like I said, like, subscribe, stay tuned, because we got a lot of bangers. But other than that, man, it's your boy, Too Slow Kurt, and I'm out.